Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. As you can see, it is Harley Quinn inspired. This tattoo, it says rotten. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. You don't even want to know how long that took me to get this on. First off, I'm left-handed, so it would have been easier to put on here. And, like, you have to mirror it, and also, I can't see that far back, so I was sitting here with my mirror, like this, and then trying, and I totally improvised. So I hope you enjoyed this look. It's very easy. 2 eyeshadows, a liner, mascara, lipstick. That's it. Without further ado, let's get into the video and leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let's go. So I know she has red on this eye, blue on this eye. I have this one. I still need to do a video on. This is both of these quads are my smile. So I have this one, this pinkish here, which I haven't tried. I don't even know how this looks on the eye. I've swatched it, but I don't know what it looks like on the eye. This one, and then also from Smile, like I said, I have a video on this. I will link that here. It's, I think I will use this shade. Well, this, I mean, if you saw the video, they kind of look the same on the eyelid. I think this has a bit more shimmer to it, but they look the same. I think I'm going to start off with the blue eye because I don't know, I like blue more than pink and red, so yeah. Wow. Hashtag pigmented. Hashtag not. Also, I don't mind the fallout because she has like, it looks like, anyway. I wonder if it wasn't easier to just use my finger. Didn't I do that in my video as well? Ah, see? Now we're talking. And then just like this, basically. Now, of course, this has a shimmer in. Hers doesn't. I take that, okay. Then I will use liner. I actually want to try out this one. This by IQUS. I got this in a Look Fantastic box. Well, actually, no, wait, hold on. I bought this palette. I brought this with me because I want to use it. And I don't have the brush. God damn it. Oh, the black here, because she has a little bit of black on the outer corner. In the outer corner, I don't know. Just a little. There, then just tap it in. And then if the blue would actually work. I will use this IQUS Black Magic. I'm gonna get the base down first and then I'm gonna do it a little bit thicker. Oh, I actually like this. Now, it is a very liquid eyeliner, so. And I just fucking dropped it. Great. Maybe let's do this. Maybe this helps. I don't know. Oh, this actually helps. I can feel it drying. Oh my god. Oh, before I forget it, I will also blend it in. Because I tend to forget to blend my eyeshadow in. Also, yes, I do this side first because this is much easier than the other. Because the other one has a 2 tattoos, actually, from what I could tell. Okay, so try to blend it in. Then I take the fallout that's here. Just take that away. Then concealer I do afterwards. I'm just going to use my finger as well because, oh my god, powdery. Okay, there you go. That is actually a beautiful color. Now, again, I'm using this with my finger. I don't know what this will look like. With a brush. Probably not as good. And also, like, see, it's just like that. This is nice. Okay, this is better than the blue one. Also add a little bit of black. Okay, and then the liner again. Now this is my difficult eye. I don't know if I can actually do this. Thing is, this is the eye that I wink with. You know, like I can't wink with my left eye like this. So I can actually close this and do the liner, but then because I can keep this eye still, it never looks the same. As you can see already. God damn it. And I'm also gonna blend this in. This went better than I expected. I still haven't done the tattoos yet, so so just a tiny bit tiny bit of concealer. I don't want too much. This is like a thick concealer, you know what I mean? And depending on how much you use, it will look like poop. I have breakouts everywhere, oh my god. So I'm actually filming this the day before it goes live, meaning it's December 26th, and boy, let me tell you about the things that I ate on Christmas. We had raclette. In case you don't know what this is, basically like on top is a grill where you can grill things, you know, like sausages and bacon and I don't know, beef, just beef in general and chicken, whatever. And underneath you have pans where you can put, I don't know, I always put like potatoes in with some raclette cheese on top and it gets like baked like in the oven. I had so much cheese, I felt a bit sick. Horrible, but good, but horrible, oh my god. Just using powder, not too much. I had the brilliant idea of taking the stop out from my liquid powder, wow, from my loose powder, and now it looks like this. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Essence Liner Long Lasting Black Fever. That's the color. This isn't working. I mean, what is? It kind of works though. The other side too. I'm gonna go back in with the black shade and smoke this a little out. It's strange, but both my eyes are a bit itchy. Does that tell you something? Maybe the quality is not as good as I thought it was. Okay, now I want to see for the tattoos, because she has tattoos on it, and I am not having that. Oh my god. She has a heart over here, which I will do now. I think I can do a heart. Come on. Oh my god. It's not, a heart can't be that difficult, can it? So this I will also do a video on. As you know, I haven't done that yet. So watch me fail doing this heart now, because I said, oh, a heart can be that difficult. One side down. Like, come on, it could be worse. Shit, now I fucked up. If you can see me sit here, you'll probably laugh. I take this. I take this. Okay, yes, we take that. Okay, if this wasn't difficult enough, she also has rotten written over here in a very weird font and mirrored. Oh my god. Oh god, I can't even see over there. You know what? I'm gonna start. It looks like shit. That's way too big. That is way too big. Let me just redo this. Oh god, please tell me this goes off.
One eternity later.
I've done this like 10 times and I don't even care anymore. Oh my god. I mean, I think you can kind of tell what it's supposed to mean. Last but not least, she has some red lipstick on. I think I can do that. Okay, I think. I'm not sure, but I think. This is not really red. God damn it. Actually, this is also my smile. Oh god, this tastes disgusting. This is going to the trash because this doesn't smell good. Yes, the easy things I can do. See? Let me do the hair very quickly too. Why does it look like this? This is her hair, okay? I didn't come up with this. Just say. If it looks bad, it's not my fault. Oh, you know what? I actually like this. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what to think of this. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever done this. And who your favorite, let's just say who your favorite villain is. Don't care if that's Disney or Marvel or DC or whatever, your favorite villain. See you in my next video. Bye. I actually like this look. Okay. For the new year, I realized liquid lipstick and matte lipstick is not for me. What is that? Oh, see that light there? What is it? There was my humidifier, so I was like, what the fuck is that? Hashtag too lazy to get off. You know that moment when it's winter and your lips are already chapped and then you put some, I don't know, like liquid lipstick on that's very drying out your lips?